Hey everyone, good evening. It's Scott at Scott Trades on X with Stock Market Mentor and your chart of the day. Want to take a look at Palantir. This is ticker PLTR. Now, Palantir does have earnings coming up at the beginning of November, and honestly, I would be surprised if the stock does anything before then, because I think we're in a market environment where the market is really looking for consistent positive earnings. But if by some stretch of the imagination, if we do by chance make new highs in the market, I think Palantir has a chance to make new highs as well, because it's actually holding up quite well. It's just off of its recent all-time high and sitting right on its 50-day moving average. So what I would look for here on Palantir is a move through some near-term resistance in and around 188.20. Now, like I said, it's probably not going to happen in the next couple of days unless we get a big turnaround in the market. Then it's absolutely, a high probability setup because of its relative strength and the fact that it's still holding in and around key moving averages and consolidating even when the market is choppy and volatile. So if it does make a move, I think it has to break through 188.20 and do it on good volume and close above that level. And if it does, then I definitely think you could use the recent test of the 50-day moving average here as a stop loss. So that's just one of many setups we're looking at tonight at stockmarketmentor.com. I hope that was helpful, and I hope to see you at stockmarketmentor.com. Catch you next time.